week 5 of the month of April, last week of the month of April. In this video, I want to do a weekly market breakdown analysis and also a top-down analysis at the end of each instrument. I want to go through my trading review, share with you with transparency, with my own thought, how I was expecting market to play during this week from Monday to today, Friday, the 1st May, and what was the outcome, what was the negative, what was the counter confluence between my own opinion and what the market actually played, how the market actually played during this week. And I'm also doing a top-down analysis on each instrument. Let's go straight to my trading view. I will start with gold and end up with GBPSD. By the way, I'm not longer doing the EURUSD again, and I'm no longer doing analysis on DASK, the EURUSD. I delete the USD out of my checklist. I take the EURUSD out of my checklist and just focusing on two instruments because I feel like I'm more confused now. I want to be more disciplined. See you. As you can see here, the gold is bearish. The order flow is bearish. Let's go. I will put on Friday. Yeah, market open on Monday. Price was around here. This was Monday. Friday here and Monday. Price will literally open with a very gap, with some gap because of what happened on the United States during the meeting on Donald Trump. So yeah, and you can see the order flow was pretty bearish, looking to take out this low. It was very nice. Was the target was the bias to target this low, this week low, and potentially this demand here. This is what I was expecting, a drop to the here. Eventually pass has literally did what I was expecting. Yeah, you can see pass eventually, yes, Tuesday not really moving well, you know. Yesterday, Thursday, pass moved massively drop, and also yesterday, Friday, you can see, yeah, Friday market pushed to the outside. If I go to the 15, and on the 15, the market are open here around here. Here was Monday. You can see how market open around this zone. I was really looking to sell from here on Monday. I missed another entry here. Why? Because I refined too much. I'm supposed to get in straight to this zone, but because I'm obsessed with small stop loss, trying to refine, get in with small entry possible to have more big RR. What I did, I refined to here and literally pass move without me, and I will end up without taking it here. Because if I took this entry here, I would have target like just 2.5R, 3R, because there was a demand here. Yeah, at this point where was a demand from here, was expecting price to drop to target this demand. Out from here it's like 2.5, but I didn't like it. I tried to refine, expecting price to push more higher before mitigate me before drop, and I missed this move this week. Eventually there will nothing happen for me. Also, I was on Tuesday, I was expecting a sell from here. This is where the big move happened. I placed my order here, expecting price to pull back, mitigate me before the drop. Nothing happened. Price still move without me. Thursday, nothing happened. Really, nothing happened. Price came back, drop, break this low. But I was expecting price to come back here also, waiting for short from here, from this supply to drop now. Nothing happened. No entry. No entry. And literally on Friday, you can see we have this internal shape bullish. We have a reaction from this supply now, because here was a supply here. Here was a supply 50 supply. Price react. We have this demand, internal demand, massive push, and we break above here. That means demand is already take control over the supply. And you can see on the H4 we have this strong demand here. This demand here mitigated. It was a strong confirmation for me to now buy. And because I wake up a little bit late today, a little bit late. Yesterday, a little bit late. It was around 6:30 here. Market did what? You can see how market came back. We have this inducement. Buying from here was very, very valid, because for me this supply was only a pullback to here, and price pushed massively to the upside, and eventually I was also expecting a buy during yesterday. Nothing. Price did not give me entry. I passed on it. And today, Friday, I did a big mistake. I did a very, very big mistake today. Very, very big mistake. I was expecting money to sell from here, but no, price did not come back. Price did not come back from here. Price did not come back here. I was expecting a pullback from here directly here. One price break this low, I was expecting a pullback here and then short. Price did not come back. and price keep going down. And I did my analysis today. I was expecting price to drop, find an opportunity. I even found another opportunity after this fake break, strong liquidation push to the downside. I placed my orders for here, but market did not come back to target this demand. But literally, price came back inside this demand, and we are inside at the extreme of the H4 opposing demand, inside the N15 demand too. Are trying to force sell opportunity here, but we are inside H4 demand. How can I force to sell from here? I asked myself that question. How? Even if I was backtesting, I would not take this. I would not be able to do this kind of mistake. Selling inside a strong opposing demand without any clear confirmation. Normally, this is where I was expecting to buy, but eventually I did not respect it, and price literally push up. By next week, really, to be honest, and as we mitigate now this daily demand now here, as we mitigate this daily demand now, I'm expecting a little bit more deeply pullback here, because we have a mitigate, we have another mitigation inside. Price may mitigate this one inside, because this is a range, and we have this pivot demand now. You have this pivot demand that price must mitigate. I'm expecting another push to the upside on Monday. By next week, this H4 supply here, minimum here. Then from here, I'm expecting a drop. I'm expecting a continuation to here. Then from here now, I'm expecting a drop to the downside. This is a GBPSD, and this is good. On GBPSD, literally same. Guys, to be honest, GBPSD was not really nice this week. The last 2 days, Monday, since last week, GBPSD was not good. The last 2 days, 3, I think, Thursday, Friday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday was good. Monday, Tuesday wasn't good. The partnership was very horrible. And yeah, this was the demand. I was expecting to continue buying to this supply before the drop, and eventually it happened. And I'm expecting price to drop till by next week, to drop to this demand, then to drop to this demand. Eventually, maybe why not dropping more lower, because we have this equal lows here. You have a low high time frame equal lows here, and we are coming from a strong high time frame weekly supply. I'm expecting a mitigation here, and maybe from this mitigation, from this period, we have a reaction, then we can drop. You have a equal lows, you can drop to the downside. This is what I'm expecting on GBPSD. For next week, I'm expecting a push, mitigation, a reaction, then a drop to target this week low. Is what I'm expecting by next week. On the weekly time frame, yes, you have a mitigation. You have also this weekly demand. See, if I'm zooming here, I have this weekly demand here, where I will be expecting price to push inside this weekly demand here. If I go to the daily time frame, everything's clear. Maybe I'm expecting to sell, but from here I'm expecting a reaction before the push. Maybe if the demands are strong from here, maybe we will see a continuation. If not, we will see a drop, because we are seeing also equal lows here. And today, during this week on the H4, wasn't really nice. This week wasn't really nice. Let's if I check GBPSD, this is market open around. You have this liquidity, a lot of inducement from this supply. There was a supply here. I was expecting one part to mitigate the supply. I'm expecting a strong, massive drop, but it didn't happen the way I was expecting, or the way I expected. You can see the supply did not even no strong. There was no strong mitigation. There was no strong seller from here, but price has pushed deeply before the drop. When the drop come, we also had this demand. We had this demand from here. This was also a demand that led to this massive push to the upside to have this break above. Price came back into this demand. You have a push literally, and you had this supply above here. Price you have this supply. We have from this supply, and then price drop. This is where I was expecting to sell. Price now drop massively. Price drop, and the next day on Wednesday, I was looking to sell from here. Price did not give me a setup, but later price did not give me entry model. It just gave me some confidence, positive confidence with my plan, but did not give me any entry model. I just skip it. Yeah, the only good days that I found a good setup was on Tuesday. The only good day I found a good setup was on Tuesday. I missed like 10R. Yes, I could have made 10R on that trade. Yeah, since then nothing happened. Even today I missed some trade. At this point now I'm on H4. and we mitigate the H4 opposing, the daily opposing supply, and we now ship bearish. Past us now ship bearish. I'm expecting a top, a pullback into the supply, the new fresh supply here. Yeah, now I'm looking for a pullback here, then I'm looking for continuation to the downside, something like this pullback, then now a drop to here for next week. Maybe we have a straight, maybe you can see a straight pullback into this demand, and yeah, it can happen. It can easily happen. For me, it's something that I know it can easily happen. And we have these two demand. This is a demand where I will be expecting part to pull back into by next week. Okay guys, if you like this video, make sure to comment, subscribe and share. Don't forget to turn on the notification button to not miss out my next video. See you, and let's go into the video.